टीम इंडिया के कोच अनिल कुंबले ने हाल ही में सीमित ओवरों के मैचों की कप्तानी छोड़ने वाले महेंद्र सिंह धोनी की प्रशंसा करते हुए कहा कि उनका नेतृत्व शानदार था और टीम के सीनियर खिलाड़ियों के साथ उनका बेहतर तालमेल था। उन्होंने धोनी को आज भी टीम का दिशा निर्देशक बताया। धोनी ने पूर्व दिग्गज लेग स्पिनर कुंबले के 2008 में टीम इंडिया के टेस्ट कप्तान पद छोड़ने के बाद ही कप्तानी संभाली थी। कुंबले ने 2008 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ घरेलू क्रिकेट सीरीज के दौरान ही अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट से संन्यास की घोषणा कर दी थी। पहले से ही सीमित ओवरों में टीम का नेतृत्व कर रहे धोनी ने इसके बाद तीनों फॉर्मेट में टीम का नेतृत्व संभाला था। कुंबले ने धोनी की प्रशंसा करते हुए कहा, 2007 से 2017 तक एक लंबा समय होता है और धोनी ने इस दौरान कप्तानी के नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं। इस दौरान टीम से बहुत से सीनियर खिलाड़ियों ने करियर को अलविदा कह दिया, लेकिन धोनी बखूबी टीम का नेतृत्व करते हुए टीम को सफलता की नई बुलंदियों तक ले गए। उन्होंने कहा,
if you look back at the one-day format itself, last year we didn't play much, but the last series that we played against New Zealand was a good one. So yeah, we'd like to think that this is the only preparation that we have before the Champions Trophy. So it's important that we start off on a very good note, and we are very confident the preparations have been good, and it's good to come back into a one-day mode. There's been a lot of Test cricket, so which is good. We have had great results over the last year, and we'd like to start off the new year on a good note. No, at any given point in time, you'd like to put together a best team on the park, and we would like to do that. Considering that each game is like a knockout in a Champions Trophy as well. So that's the kind of mindset that the players have, and that's the intent that the team also will have. So in that sense, yes, like you said, there's not much experimentation or much, probably practice in terms of combinations and in terms of what you would like to be prepared with. But no tournament you can say that this is the exact preparation that you would, ideal preparation that you would want. So whatever we have, we'll try and get the most out of it, and the results are important. So we'll be certainly looking for the result. Yeah, I think the first phase was probably easy for me because I was old, and it was easy for me to say, here MS, take over. It was very difficult for me to continue at that point in time. The body was not willing, but I thought it was the right time for me to leave as well, because MS was ready to take over the Test captaincy. He had just won the T20 World Cup and then won the one-day format in Australia for the first time, so in a triangular series. So he had done all the right things, and I felt it was the right time for me, and of course the body told me that it was the right time as well. So yeah, I mean, from there, 2007 to 2017, 10 years as captain is phenomenal. It goes to show the capabilities of MS as a leader, and also what he's been able to achieve during the transition phase, and also when the seniors left as well. It's not easy just coming into a team as captain and then having so many senior players. He managed them really well, not just got the best out of them, but also got the best for the team, both as #1 Test side, and then later on winning the World Cup in 2011, and then the Champions Trophy, and of course many other victories that he's been involved in. And probably in this team, other than UV, everybody else has started their careers under MS. So that's the kind of transition that you may call that he has seen, and it's been phenomenal, to achieve what he's been able to achieve as a captain. And we all know the value that he brings as a player and as a batsman and keeper, and of course his value on the field with all the experience that he has. It's never easy to take a call, and hats off to him. That shows how selfless he is, and he probably thought it was the right time for Virat to take over. Like how I probably at that point in time felt it was the right time for MS to come in, and it's great for the team to have MS on the field with Virat leading the side. They'll like I mentioned, Virat came into the side when MS was captain. So the bonhomie and the bond that they have, it will only help Virat grow as a leader. And he has shown, Virat has shown the exceptional quality that he has and what he brings to the team, both as an individual and also as a leader. And that's certainly rubbed off on a lot of other individuals in the team. And we have seen the results in the test format. So I'm sure, even in the one-day format, he'll be equally good. And, like I mentioned, MS has been one of the best captains that we have had. And in terms of the results that he has had for India, has been exceptional. So hats off to him, and congratulations to all the things that he has done as captain. Now really looking forward to MS as a batsman and keeper and as a leader. He's still a leader in the team, and that's something that we'll be looking forward to. Yeah, the preparations are not that dissimilar, but yes, you need to probably bring in a lot more intensity, a lot more energy in the way we practice and in what we try and do with certain batsmen, certain bowlers, practice with the bowlers with the Yorkers, slow ball, slow bouncers and those kind of things, and then probably use a wet ball for practice. These are the things that you bring in a one-day format. But other than that, I think generally it's all about getting the team in the right mental space so that they can go out there and perform. Strategies and analysis of what we need to do in terms of who the opposition is. That's something that we certainly discuss. But other than that, I think preparation-wise, it's not that dissimilar. So it's more or less.
आपको बता दें कि महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने हाल ही में टीम इंडिया की कप्तानी छोड़कर पूरे क्रिकेट जगत में सनसनी मचा दी थी।